Good morning, traders. What I want to talk to you about here today is a pairs trade. If you watched one of my previous videos, you've seen where I talked about doing a pairs trade in futures. Um, you know, um, and this is the same thing, but this is just for those of you who can't trade futures or don't want to trade futures. This is how you can do a pairs trade um, in stocks. The two stocks we're picking is SVXY and VXX. Now, both of these are volatility stocks, and SVXY tends to go up in price as long as the stock, um, the indexes are in contango, and VXX tends to go down. Okay, they're inverse products to one another. So I did a little research here this last week, and I know a week is not a whole lot of research, but anyway, it's just to give you an idea of what's going on. Um, uh, and what you would do is at the close, right at the close of the market, say 10 or 15 minutes before the close of the market, the price you would buy, and you can do this, one share, 100 shares, 1,000 shares, how many ever shares you want to. You would buy SVXY, and at the close at the same time, you would sell the VXX. Okay. And what this would do is, you'd buy it at 58.15 and sell it at 24.58, and that would give you a difference of 33.57 for every share. Okay. Then at the open the next day, you would just do the opposite. Since you were long the SVXY, you would sell them. And since you were short VXX, you would buy them back. Well, the first day of the week, it showed a 32-cent per share loss. So if you had 100 shares, you would have lost $32. But having said that, that's just at the opening price. During the course of the day, you can let this thing run. It could have reversed. I didn't look into that, but these two products, especially the XVXY, tends to move around pretty good price during the course of the day. You very well could have closed it for a profit, but this is just looking at the opening and selling prices. Okay, now this price, I picked this up from last week, on the week before on Friday. So on Tuesday, doing the same thing, buying and selling on the Monday close and opening Tuesday, you'd have lost 18 more cents. Wednesday, you would have gained 38, Thursday, $1.46, and Friday, $1.19. So if you'd have done this all 5 times during the last week, you would have made a profit of $2.53, or in 100 shares, you'd have made $253. What this does, by holding it overnight, it gets you out of the pattern day trading rule. If your account is less than $25,000, you can only make 3 pairs trades in a week. 3 day trades in a week. This pair trade counts as 2 because you're buying and selling 2 stocks at the same time. So you can only do it once a week, because when you do it the second time, that would be 4 pair trades, and that puts you in violation. But if you hold it overnight, in other words, make your transaction at the close of the market on Monday, do another transaction at the open of the market on Tuesday, since you held those shares overnight, that gets around the pattern day trading rule. You can do this every day of the week. Okay, so I hope this kind of gives you an idea of a trade to make, and good luck to you out there.